Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And guess what? Today is Friday. What? That's right, Friday. I got a big race in Tulsa. 3 days of racing. We have a Friday race, Saturday race, and a Sunday race. Big money at Tulsa. Friday is kind of warm-up track day or something like that. So it's going to be a test and tune session from 12 to 4, which yours truly is going to take advantage of. And then we'll have a race later on that evening. Then we have Saturday race, Sunday race. These are no double entries, any of that stuff. It is a true foot brake class. I'm strictly racing foot brake only. So with that, let's go ahead and get the trailer hooked up to the truck, which is outside here running. And let's get onto the track, because man, I need to practice hitting that tree and get cutting good lights. If not, it's gonna be a short weekend, all days. So anyway, with that, let's get hooked up onto the truck and get onto the track. Okay, we're all loaded up. Like I said, it's 3 days of racing. Let me get the schedule and the payouts on that. Hang on. Okay, Friday payout, Super Pro 15, foot brake 1200. Then Saturday and Sunday, that's 4,000 for Super Pro and foot brakes 2,000. And I think they're paying back to the quarters. So anyway, yeah, 3 days of racing. Basically Friday, they're gonna have an open, not an open, but you have to pay for it. Time trials from 12 to 4. We get one qualifying at Friday evening. Saturday, we get 2 time trials. And Sunday, no time trials, right into eliminations. So you still get your buybacks. So anyway, gates open fairly early Saturday and Sunday, which is great. And Friday is going to be going into the evening. So anyway, it is what it is. So with that, let's get on down to the track and get our parking spot and do some time trials today, because Lord knows I need some help at that tree. So here we go. And plus, in case you wonder why Pop's not here, he has an appointment this morning he had to get to, but he will show up at the track later on today. So okay, round 1, no E coming up. We got a 57 on it. I did like 6 or 7 test rounds, just trying to work on my lights. I think I might got a handle on it, but I really don't know until we get up there. So wish me luck. So here we go, round 1 coming up. Because I was so far in front of him, still ran at 55. I don't know, just a poor dial, I guess. Okay, that was a big breakout. Dialed a 57, ran a 55 with the O, 100 miles an hour. I womped it cup at least once and just kind of got out of it and just walked through the beam, and took almost 04 stripe on him. So anyway, it just picked up and I didn't expect it. So I'm definitely going to dial for picking up this next pass. So with that, round 2 coming up. I already bought back in, and hopefully I don't know what I'm going to dial. Man, I was 55 with it. Oh, so oh well. If anything, I could use a brake or swamp it. So anyway, round 2 coming up. Okay, round 2, no E coming up, 655. See how things go. posted in the video what this was. Mine was a 33 to his 40. He ran a 72 and a 71. I ran a 56.9 on a 55. I wumped it once. I scrubbed about a mile and a half off of it. So it probably would have ran a 55. I'll find out when I calculate it, but I better not do that again. About screwed up. But margin of victory is a 004. So, man, close race. Okay, got round 3 coming up. I'm sticking with my 655 dial. It's going to be running close to a 54, I'm pretty sure. So, if anything, I'm going to might have to really watch it close and just whomp it. So, anyway, here we go. Okay, well, we got a seatbelt on. As you can tell, we're not in the truck, we're in a car. Anyway, gonna leave the trailer and truck here tonight because we got 2 more days of racing out here. It doesn't make sense to keep towing that thing back and forth. Even though we don't live that far, it's just easier to keep it out here. Anyway, round 3, what can I say? It was a damn good race. It just wasn't in my favor. He just had a lot better light than I did. So, and even if I think I ran a 55, I think it would have been, instead of an 010 margin, it'd probably been a 00 margin in his favor. He had a 004 against my 15. So anyway, light's a lot better. So that's something to look forward to the rest of the weekend. So I think I found my groove on the light. So hopefully that goes my favor again, or go into my favor for tomorrow's race. So with that, link, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. So day 2 is coming tomorrow. So see you then. Yeah, I really fell asleep on that one. I don't know. 117 light. I just screwed up.